Yeah, it's a scary thing to talk about, but the reality is that we have to be prepared for things like dirty bomb and chemical attacks. Researchers are actually using steam as part of the solution, and in the event that that would happen, stay tuned, I'll show you how that works. The Department of Homeland Security and the Idaho National Laboratory are researching a way to more effectively and safely clean up in the event of a dirty bomb or a chemical attack. Now that solution involves steam. I'll tell you what effectively goes on. After an attack, the hazmat teams come in and they scrub the surfaces to remove the contaminants that are left over, and that's usually a surface scrub with some sort of chemical or bleach-based solution. So there's a new research that shows that maybe the use of a laser and a steam can help do a better job. So let me tell you the story and why that's even necessary. Let's look back here at this wall. Okay, so here's where old tech meets new tech. Now you have to know the reason for this whole problem is that brick and concrete are extremely porous. So when that contaminant hits here, it's not just staying on the surface, it's getting down in there. Think about if you've had a leaky basement, how water always finds a way through a pore or a fissure or something like that. That's what's happening with these surfaces. So that's the problem. Now here's the solution. Water. Just like we talked about a leaky basement, water gets into everything. So researchers have figured out if we treat this surface with water, it's also going to get down in there and mix up with the contaminants. Then they come back and hit it with a pulsing laser, and that laser will actually flash the water that's down in the pore of the concrete and building materials into steam, which brings the contaminants back up to the surface where they can then go through the process of scrubbing it, and then they get all of it out. Pretty cool. Water and lasers and steam all mixed up in there together. Interesting to note that this technology can also be used in the case of like an accidental chemical spill to do a better and safer job of cleaning up. Well, I found that because I was out on the Google looking around. You can find us in social media when you go out there on the Google. I hope you do that. We have a lot of great content for you. Come join me next Friday. I'll be here with another Steam Culture episode. I'll see you then.